Hey guys, so yesterday was Easter Sunday, so what will I try to do? Seeing that I made a lovely turkey and some bits with it, I'm gonna do the Friends.
I call it the moistmaker.
Yes, your sandwich, Ross.
My sandwich?
Come on man, I just said your sandwich, okay? So, now, what do you do, of course? Here, if you have leftover turkey, and this time I had a lot left over, so we'll be having turkey in this house for a while, then you can always do the moist maker.
My sandwich.
Chill, Ross, I'm getting to it. Okay, so here, as you can see, I've chopped up some nice turkey breast and fried off some onions, and also mixed in potato that was nicely roasted. And I've also cut up some cucumber, some pepper, and tomato. And I'm doing two different versions. So one version will be untoasted toast bread or white bread on the outside, and in the middle slice will be toasted, and one will be the other way around, so that the moist maker will not be toasted, but the inside will be. Now, the outside will be. So now let's start. We take our moist maker slice, and we actually, I should have probably used something better to submerge it more, but yeah, let's get it nice and moist. So now, as you can see, we've nicely covered it on all sides. This goes on. We'll press down a little bit on it.
My sandwich!
Ross, I'm almost done. Chill. So, that was the one where the moist maker was toasted. Now let's go for the untoasted variant of the moist maker. Ta-da! Our sandwiches are done.
My sandwich!